Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. How have to be? Welcome back friends my YouTube channel at a crochet pattern. Hopefully you will be fine, spending a good and lavish life. So friend, most welcome my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine, have your spending good life. Let's come and I introduce beautiful and new ideas in channel a few clicks, and these are very beautiful ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, let's come and I introduced beautiful ideas that are related to the crochet pattern, and these ideas are very beautiful to each other. Hopefully you will begin different type of knowledge criteria to watching this video. In this video I shared beautiful ideas which are most ambiguous and are related to each other. I hope you will enjoy different ideas which are most beautiful and are completely different to each other. So friends, subscribe my channel, like my ideas which I shared with you in this video. Hopefully you will be enjoy my ideas because it's are very beautiful and are different to each other. So I hope you will be like my ideas which I share. Beautiful design toilet covers in this video I shared with you. And friends, upload this video your friends, mutual friends, overall your socials personality which you know have that. And I hope you will be enjoy my ideas which I to introduced, and these ideas are very beautiful to each other because it's a very ambitious and simple design ideas. So friends, subscribe this channel and wants to give ideas, and these ideas are very beautiful to each other. I hope you will be enjoy different ideas which I shared with you in this video. So you like my ideas and enjoy my videos which are most beautiful to each other. These are beautiful and unique designs in this video I shared. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas that are very beautiful and are completely different to each other, and you will be enjoy different type of thinking criteria to watching this video. Hopefully you will be gain different type of knowledge watching my video because it's a very beautiful and different design of ideas which I shared with you in this video. So friend, upload this video your friends, your mutual friends, overall your social personality. I hope you will be enjoy my ideas. Thank you so much friends to watching this video at the last. Inshallah I introduce beautiful ideas which are related to the crochet pattern, and these ideas are very beautiful to each other. So friend, next time I will meet you with beautiful design